Good morning, good morning, Africa. Good afternoon, Australia. Maybe your work, US. Alahan, kan char wala the ben kala video ba take mi siangong mi jaka ka na ideal. Kasala ngo interest ko be inbox da be siang. Baba lari yela lar yana yin ta dong tri yin ga interest da biya jaka ba benen no. I don't have interest. Bella da min jaka kan. There for a second. Tum. Come here and listen. Alamas inbox da try think I nonsense. My inbox try think I nonsense. Ma god yara no biya jaka te jaka jaka danga luak. Ki me nga yen girlfriend do len chole jal. Me take a girlfriend nga mbele. Jaka jaka je chwa jaka nga. I got nothing to do with that. Nimen war. Jan tok. Ngam cha nen chen nen. How come biya inbox la thiang? Ke turi thiang madong. Madwai ke riya wun madong. While chen girlfriend and chen boyfriend and chick. Ku wun doi chi ka dong riya la da chi me chi boyfriend chi shoulder. Why? If you guys see something wrong with that, so I jang jaka showed. Ki come your girlfriend to ma ki chik do le jala. I have nothing to do with that. And maybe you're wrong. Talk about it. Don't disturb me with nonsense. Inbox this why I think nonsense. I have nothing to do with that. She shake the good night jal she showed. Miss Yanen wrong. Come and talk about it. Try I'm sick and tired. Uncle Jen was na go in babanen. I don't get it. Jaka wun malamunga brother. I'm so sick and tired like one nonsense at all. Nya jogla lo she checked. Wouldn't do your react, she showed. So we are go to girlfriend, dolan charlie jal came your queen. We are jaka through can the beauty dinner and nya jog makan nen. Nya cover your dang and loaka canada. And I'm seeing your jaka my inbox. Otherwise, we don't be quick. And that's final. Something wrong with it. Something wrong with it. And then we are not been disturbed. What for? What is my business there? I'm asking all of you but nonsense people that I don't even know. What for? What is my business? They know what they are doing. What concern me there? I have no business there. Me something wrong with you. What can I video right now? Simple as that. Try and get a video no man can get out of I don't understand that culture. I don't understand it. Again. Okay? Don't let you go. She shoulder. She boyfriend. She lomda. I have no business with him. So, me we chick don't do I react. Teen ke. Me go to chick a makanje. Dang a luck she and chowder. Chick the nyaju chow dang a luck. I show the nyanchiew. Why be a been disturbed nonsense video? I don't like this. I don't like it. I don't fucking like this. Don't. I have no business in that area. She wood, she gora, she lomda, she shoulder. There's nothing to do with me. I'm being serious. This the message I received today, they everywhere. What for? What for? May something wrong? Talk about it. Can you can? I wouldn't know her nan shing nor. Why Babin Jahan? Can't hear that got a sack in my shackle and look out. Why my dollar commission go? arana si nyoka jakanga chim karo doi karo ya duin karo law hoy ko chara is none of my business. The last time I checked my chol nya jok chol nya ndoi ter chimar I have nothing to do with her. Arana si nyoka jaka sura nya jok do lo kene jal tell her I got nothing to do with it. I have no business there. Yan wuru den jaka kanga me jagena ka tena balatin. No, I'm telling me balatin. I have nothing to say there. Arana si jaka nga yan wuru den jaka ka arana si jaka nga kon si nya jok si shebda jal si shawda si lomda gore girlfriend jal ki si jal me ko no ya ko no Ethiopia kama je video check danga lwa kan shawda danga lwa gore je biya wang na wayot wang na me aga kan ngwang nen ga je ko na yo na wang de spiritually be check de ko nen ga ne wuro den like jere hak simple as that arana si nyoka jaka nga ka yenu guna tan jaka nga because I think there's nothing wrong with it. Okay? Arana si jaka nga at all. Arana si jaka video jal again kana nya jog the loss because I have no business there. Kim karo dai gara yang din gara law tege di magore ga sana my business jal chi gada nya jog ke nya da. I have no business with them. I have no connection with them. And that's simple. You need a jaka nga mi jagene ke something wrong with it we are right jode. I refuse to talk about it because it's none of my business. But mo yene jakanga bagaki. Kama jagene ko ta ke issue ya konta issue ko ne jal ka ta issue ga nya jok telum de ngam jealousy. Nothing. Why would I get jealous? Why? And what am I jealous in? Menana stupidity. A young see the shoulder. Let me just say, young see the sheep. She see the one camera. She me see the shoulder, I see the one camera. And talk at your shit, they see one like a video, video by shoot. They shit under. That's a stupidity. Honestly, Jackson. Me jump I show. Me hear them, do shit. Should they see the Torah? They shit without camera. Queen the young Babylon. And one down for the hurting. What do you know in Angel? Why are you guys sending me that? Nonsense, you couldn't cover Johnson. Nonsense, you couldn't cover Johnson. My inbox can be full, a ship, me, so a pip. A queen and up got like a Facebook. Queen of Yaga, queen I got like a Facebook. It's firstborn. Her firstborn and queen of Facebook. Queen and young Babylon. What is my business there? Got that kind and there's something wrong with man. Can I make up dress? I'm come on dress. Queen loving young Babylon. Why? Got that. In Chakatar. Jerwit 9 months. I didn't go Facebook. Can and there's something wrong with million man. Queen loving Babylon. Kids are by your pinky. Can't see what I got woman. Oh, what do you guys mean? What is my business there? Arana si nyoka jakanga. Chatianga yimbong ko dia lawa wa ku ba jang yitum ba wa ku ba jang yitum. Stop. Stop. Arana si jakanga. I have no business with them and they don't have business with me. I'm good with that. Arana si nyoka jakajal kana nya jok dollars. Doi karare hamne. Sigara doi rihamne. It's none of my business. Tell them ngongaten. Don't aran kasi jakanga. That's my message right there. Jirami be nyoka jakama. Bagaki. Especially in one. Many yen we do you your dangal wag shoda. Show that you are dangal wag. We are going on Facebook. A good and antiap. Many yen do you your dangal wag here. And jal mit your girlfriend and nyanchiew nyandoi ko Facebook me tat ni jal nyanchiew nyandoi mit your like me nyandoi indo DNA dan mit a lot of nyanchiew ko la mamar ko nyandoi ni ngara wi mona no way mit a lot of nyam jal nyanchiew o jelo di ta ta jalo ai chi jal ka wi ake we are going to see those rabbit photo ran ke si jak kana aran ke ci jakanga e wunora me ki o me doy wood here wood ma dong riak. I have nothing to do with it. Aran ci jakanga. Okay, that's my message right there. Me logo nya jok a personal kam no konje. My problem is very simple. The chow ne nyak tell ngum chine tedi logo no juju. I don't like juju. If I see you doing juju with me, that's a problem kaji. Baga kaji. I don't like juju. Tell nga problem ka tin go ndi alla de. Ka Nuer community go ka ke jek am go nya jok. An man yara da la ba sele business. Tell ne mi no go the ba rod wai ria mi wu ne ko kien. Chow da ka ne da ba ban jakanga. No. I don't have time for that. Eran chinyok kami jaka jaka video da bagak. Me jagi na kaya something wrong with it. We are ready to and chen let ko reception problem no Nuer. Eran chinyok jaka ture nya jog da los kan jal. And I mean it. Dan bi jang bagak ji. Mu wi jaka nga bagak ji. Mu wi jaka nga bagak ji. Chen fanan anymore. Kami changan fanan ta la show. Me che choose na dan bi dress ke yu ni magora chang wai walat. Chwa nga jaka mi chen gor. Mo yen nyok jaka nga ba nga jaka nya jok bagak ya. Ko ta ga issue ke jala ta ga issue nya jok. Ene Nuer bi nyok jaka ngam. Ba nga jaka nya jok. Kene jal ba man pe pondo. Arana chi nyok jaka nga. I'm minding my damn business. Leave me alone. Okay? Arana chi nyok jaka nga. Nyen doro to ngen chen go. Arana chi jaka mi manangta. Thank you. And may God bless you. And jal, well done. Good job. But I don't want.